How to create LinkedIn account. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar type in LinkedIn. Now open up the first link in your interface. So once you get into the official web page, if you already have an account, you can simply click on sign in button and log in. So if you don't have an account yet, click on join now option at the top right corner. Now to get started, you have to open up your email and then create your password. Or if you want to create your account with Google or your Microsoft, you can do that as well. But for now, let's just create an account with an email. Under that, create a password. Click on agree and join. Now provide your first name and your last name. Again, click on continue. Now you have to perform a security verification, so click on verify. Now once you have verified, you will be taken into this page where you have to enter your location, then click on next. Now add your recent job title. If you're a student, click on I am a student, and then now you have to enter all your details. So follow all the on-screen instructions and then you will have an account on LinkedIn. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.